Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the device serial number and signing in. You find the serial in Settings General About, then sign into the device with the Apple ID used to buy or register AppleCare. Have the purchase date and receipt at hand because Apple often checks proof. Once signed in, open the Apple Support or Settings path to continue. This speeds up validation and prevents repeated logins. Make sure your network is stable and that you can receive verification codes if two-factor is enabled. Next, go to Settings General About and tap Coverage or Open Support. Apple. COM and enter the device serial number. You will see plan status, exact expiration date, and what's covered. Read exclusions so you understand limitations like accidental damage counts or service fees. Once done, compare the listed coverage dates to your purchase receipt. If the site shows limited info, sign into your Apple ID on the support site for a complete history. Keep a screenshot or PDF of the coverage page for records and future claims. Finally, if coverage is active, note the expiration and any claim steps. Schedule service or open a claim through the support app. If details are missing or wrong, contact Apple Support by phone or chat and provide the serial, Apple ID, and proof of purchase to reconcile records. If verification fails, try a different network, another browser, or the Apple Support app, and make an Apple Store appointment if needed. One troubleshooting tip: enable two-factor and ensure you can receive verification codes. Many issues arise from blocked authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.